Okay, everybody. This is a little bit of a crazy video. I have been sick. I'm still sick. And had all these plans for New Year's week. Was going to go see Wicked with my friend Cheryl. Had to cancel those tickets. Had already paid for them online. Sorry. Had to cancel those tickets. And it also wasn't going to, that means no New Year's celebration. I am filming this on Sunday. I don't know what the date is, but I thought I might have to go to the hospital during the night because I had a high fever. But it is, my little bandito is sick today. He is throwing up and wobbling, and so we're headed to Yuma to the emergency clinic down there. Jana will take him in for me. I'm not going to risk infecting anybody. I did a COVID test and it came back negative, so I don't know what this is. Just what they call the Quartzsite crud, I guess. Anyway, but I'm isolating and just got to get my baby boy. You want to come say hi? You want to come say hi? To say I'm not feeling well, everybody. We are currently waiting for Frugal RV gal, Mama Jana. She had to dump and get water. I'm not up to that. I will just do with what I have till I feel better. And right now I got to go get my baby boy taken care of. Sweet thing. It's heartbreaking when they're sick and they can't tell us what's wrong.
Today is a good day to live.
Okay, everybody, we are almost to Yuma. Baby boy is resting in his chair. And boy, what is up with my hair? My hair. But this has been the longest ass drive. Just the 95 between, well, most of 95, but between Quartzsite and Yuma is just straight and long. And but that's all right. We're getting her done.
Your destination is on the left.
So I'm sitting outside waiting on Jana and Bandit. I have my earplugs in because the highway is so loud. And Sammy could hear me. She was in Penny and she could hear me out here coughing. And she was like, let me in, let me out. I mean, let me out. Silly girl, what you doing? Silly girl. Sammy, do you see your brother in there? He's getting ready to come out, huh? Did the doctor give you a shot? Did the doctor give you a shot? Make you feel better?
Yeah, I'm going to feel a lot better.
Good.
About 4 hours.
Good. Okay, now that we got baby boy taken care of, and I will isolate, but Jana will get to see our friends and have some fun. Hopefully I will be feeling better by New Year's Eve. Fingers crossed. Okay, everybody. Take two, day 5,000. I don't even know. But I just realized, I didn't even tell you, Bandit got shots and everything, and he has pancreatitis again. He is already doing better. I am filming this on Monday or Tuesday?
Monday.
Monday morning, New Year's Eve. I had hoped that I would be better and be able to join Jana and our friends for New Year's, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. But I am better. Haven't had fever yesterday or last night, and So I'm just laying low, and I just realized that I did all that video and didn't even give you any updates or anything, so I thought I'd come back this morning and do that. So we're going to stay near town in case me or Bandit needs the doctor again. And I'm going to share with you in closing a beautiful sunset from our camp, and I'm looking forward to being out there again soon. Okay, and it's a bummer that I'm sick for New Year's, but it's okay. Bandit and I will both get better. And you know, it's just the practice of being in the moment, accepting the moment, and looking forward to the future. And isn't that what New Year's is all about anyway? I hope that you and yours have had a lovely holiday season and are going to thrive in 25. That's a new motto for me. All right, everybody, keep on keeping on. I'll see you down the road.